Uganda Independence Day, celebrated on October 9th, marks the nation's freedom from colonial rule in 1962. As a South Sudanese vlogger, I am proud to honor Ugandans' brave journey to independence and its important role in East Africa. Join me as we celebrate this day of unity, culture, and freedom.
Food is cheap in Uganda.
I mean now.
Yeah.
I mean as of now.
As of now. Ugandans are cultivating. They are good in agriculture.
No, we are not talking about.
Good in
Yes, their food is there.
It is German when?
We are good in
South Sudan.
South Sudan?
Yeah.
We're not to dig. We're not to dig.
Yes. Uganda is doing good. Uganda is doing good, right?
We know to keep.
Guys, they are complaining that there is no food, but to be honest, my experience in Uganda,
There's food.
Uganda are doing good. Uganda have food. Yes, hello everyone, good day, welcome back all. So we are in Uganda, Kampala, and yeah, it's gonna be my first time to witness or celebrate the Ugandan Independence Day. So before everything, I just want to say happy Independence Day to all the Ugandan people here, guys. So today the Independence Day is taking place in one place, they call it Kololo Ceremonial Ground, guys. So it's my first time here. I just came with a boda man and he dropped me here, guys. So I have no much information about everything, and I am from South Sudan, a South Sudanese vlogger, guys, and it's my first time to be in Uganda, Kampala. So far so good. I've been exploring Uganda, Kampala city. I tried a lot of traditional local food of Uganda, but so far I did not yet experience the culture, guys. I mean the traditional and the performance of Uganda. So I thought by coming here, guys, maybe it will be a great opportunity to show you a little bit about the Ugandan performance, the tradition and the culture, guys. So I don't know much about restriction in this country, but I am just seeing a lot of security and police everywhere all around, guys. I hope I will not fall into problem regarding recording or filming here, guys, because based on my experience, guys, I know like in Africa, guys, it's really a big problem. Like in few places also we do face problem when it comes to filming and recording. So I don't know how I'm going to overcome this. I hope today things will go peacefully without them stopping me to film or to show you the Independence Day of Uganda, guys. So I'm really so happy to share this vlog with you guys, and if you are watching from Uganda, make sure to go and check a lot of my vlogs out there, guys. So far I made like 4 episodes, guys. So now I'm heading closer and closer to the ground, guys, and the place looks so amazing and huge. You can see all over the flag. Hi, how are you? You speak English? Only Ugandan. What's your name? Today what's going on? Huh? You know Ugandan? Then speak to them in Ugandan. Tell them about today event. Tell them, huh? Say it. Huh? In Ugandan. Ugandan speak. Huh?
Hello, abadde museveni. Abadde wano
Kololo, huh? Okay, thank you. What time it will be over? Okay. He speak only, you speak Ugandan, right? Local language. Yeah, he speak Ugandan, that's a local language, guys. So he can't give, or I can't understand him, guys. So anyway, you just have to know it's their Independence Day, guys. People are celebrating today, and it has started since morning. And I thought I will be late, guys. Really, like I wasn't aware at first, guys. Like I was not aware about the Independence Day, guys. It's just that I woke up in the morning and I started checking.
Tuyine kubereraho paka no wangula tuli busukulugo Bobi Wine twamugobadde.
Okay, guys, just tell me what he was saying, what he was telling in Ugandan. I don't know Ugandan, guys. I'm from South Sudan. I speak Arabic and English.
Is Madame Helen.
Yeah. So I'm going where I see people are sitting.
Your Excellency.
You know, guys, I almost missed about today event. I wasn't aware about the date or the event. I wasn't aware even that Uganda was celebrating the Independence Day today, guys. So I just woke up while checking on my feed on Instagram. Then boom, I saw people posting about that. Especially one of my friends who is from Uganda. Then I was like, no way I can miss this. So I'm here late, but it's good. It's not over so far. So let me just go closer and show you what is happening.
From the Republic of Kenya, led by the Deputy President of Kenya. Kenya, where are you? Please welcome His Excellency the President. This delegation is led by His Excellency Professor Kithure Kindiki.
So this side I see those are the music performance people.
We have a delegation from the United Kingdom.
Oh, they have people from United Kingdom here.
United Kingdom. Led by the Dean of the Diplomatic Corps, Ambassador of the State of Eritrea, His Excellency Mohammed Ahmed Suleiman.
Can anyone tell me a little more about this, the tradition? I'm from South Sudan.
This one,
Yeah.
this is going to explain to you.
Can you just tell me a little bit about?
This is a new faith which is dominated from Uganda called the Faith of Unity.
Okay.
The leader is Omukama Ruhanga Obusobozi Bisaka. Now we are the followers of Omukama Ruhanga Obusobozi Bisaka, a new faith called the Faith of Unity in Uganda, and it is originated in Kibale, Kagadi district, that side of Bunyoro side. Yes. Now the music, the one we are playing, this one is our cultural music dance or our cultural songs, so and we use these cultural instruments to play our music.
Okay.
Yes.
So today you guys are going to perform on the stage?
Yes, we can perform if we are being given the platform. We can. No problem, we can.
Okay.
But if the platform is not being given to us, we will not perform actually.
So
yes.
you are talking of this guy, right?
This one, even they have, yes, he has raised even the hands there. He's there.
This is not the guy as you were saying.
Okay.
But he is Omukama Ruhanga of Obusobozi Bisaka. He is God, the real God. Yes, he has come to unite us.
Okay. He was like prophet.
He's not like prophet.
God?
Because he's a real God.
Okay.
He's God.
Okay.
So for us, we are the choir. We are choir of Hoima.
Okay.
We come from Hoima.
Hoima.
Yes.
It's a state or a district? Is it a place
here?
here?
It is the district.
District, okay.
And we are a choir of Omukama Ruhanga Obusobozi Bisaka.
Okay.
Omukama Ruhanga Obusobozi Bisaka. So for us, we play the traditional music.
Okay.
Yeah. These are fiddles as you have seen.
Okay, thank you so much.
In our local language, this thing which produces a very beautiful music, it is called endingidi.
Ndingidi.
Endingidi.
What does it mean in English?
It is in English. Actually, it's like a xylophone, something like that. But in a local language, it's endingidi.
Ndingidi.
Yes, endingidi. And the music which is coming in from it is in these fingers.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So that was part of Ugandan traditional and famous. Can you speak in English?
English?
Yeah,
English muno mu Uganda bogera Luganda. Museveni muzungu.
What does it mean?
Olabe sana lili no tunya uli wali.
Can you speak in English? People.
You know.
What I was saying, guys, like, thanks God, now the sun is down, so we can explore more and without much of heat. Actually, the weather of Uganda is not that hot. Like, to be honest, the weather is friendly and amazing. So, yeah, for sure. But only today it was sunny. But now the sun is down, guys. So far, I'm exploring well, guys. I'm just trying to come closer and show you what is happening. I don't know this stadium, guys. You wanted to speak something?
Yeah,
in English? What's the poster about? Oh, Museveni. You have message? You have message for him? Do you have message for him?
Yeah.
Huh? Can you speak a little bit in English? Huh? You understand English? You can speak English? Huh? He can speak English?
She cannot.
Huh?
Let me speak.
Yes, speak.
It's ABCD.
Ah,
yeah.
What were you saying about the president?
She's
a good president.
Yes, I know. What were you talking about him?
Vote him. Everybody vote this man.
Oh, okay. Okay, all the best. Okay.
Yeah, it's a good English.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
So he was telling you guys to vote for the current president, which is Museveni, guys. So he's available here, and he's the one taking the lead. So I don't want to dive so much into the politics, guys. Yes.
Content anyone.
Yeah. Hello, guys. Hello. Fine? Yeah. Yeah, I'm here. You were calling me. Yes. Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm fine.
Fine? Yeah.
You are speaking English only.
Yeah. English and Uganda, no problem.
You speak in Uganda.
No, I know English only. I'm from South Sudan. Yes. I know English. أنا تمام الحمد لله.
أنا تمام.
Yes.
ما في مشكلة.
ما في مشكلة.
أنا داير جلوس.
There?
جلوس.
Gurus.
إيه. زود داير كل ده.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So he was calling me.
Him, yeah. داير جلوس. أكل ما في.
Ask question.
أكل ما في كيف؟
This is independence day, man.
أكل ما فيها.
Then you have to address this to Mr. President, right?
President, no.
You.
There's no Kabiria.
How is President doing?
President Mafi.
Then it's good, right? Then Akil Fi is good. Food is there. Then. Food is there. Food is there. I mean, Uganda, like for me, I see. I see food is available. Food is available. Food is cheap here.
But
food is cheap in Uganda.
I mean now.
Yeah.
I mean as of now.
As of now. Ugandan are cultivating. They are good in agriculture.
No, we are not talking about.
Yes, then food is there.
It is German when.
We are good in
South Sudan.
South Sudan?
Yeah.
We're not to dig. We're not to dig.
Yes. Uganda is doing good. Uganda is doing good, right?
We know to keep.
Guys, they are complaining that there is no food, but to be honest, my experience in Uganda, Uganda are doing good. Uganda have food. Uganda, yeah, people are cultivating.
Food is there.
Food is there. Yes.
Everywhere you go, you find the
president is good. Yes. President is good for sure because food is there.
Uganda is very good. like as you see,
They have the biggest nyash
and
in Uganda.
those are people of President of Uganda. All those people of the President of Uganda. So thank you, even you, to come here, and we thank you so much, and we God bless.
Thank you so much. Your good name?
My name called Said Waswa.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you.
We are here with the President of Uganda.
Yeah, guys. For me, Uganda is doing good, guys. I don't know about the local, but I can see people are cultivating. They have natural, amazing food, and development is going on, right? Am I right or wrong? I'm right. Good. Good. Thank you. Yeah, Uganda is good, guys. You have to visit Uganda. People are nice. You have to visit Uganda. People are amazing. People have natural food. Like this country has. They are good in cultivation, agriculture, guys. And you see all over, if you go to the market, in case if you didn't check my vlog, guys, like I have made a lot of vlogs. We're exploring the market of Uganda, guys. Like, to be honest, Uganda is among one of the country which is really doing good. I know there are some issues which are not going well, and you have to know that as Ugandan, guys, you are not the only people facing problem here in Uganda, okay? So every country, even me, I'm from South Sudan, every country has their own problem, guys. But you have to appreciate, you have to thank God, guys. You have to thank God for the current situation that I'm seeing in Uganda. Like things are going well, guys. We are hoping and wishing you guys all the best. Yeah, and development, I'm seeing like in terms of development, Uganda is also not doing that bad. So wishing you all the best. I don't like to speak about politics, but anyway, wishing you guys success. God bless Uganda. Yeah. So I'm still waiting for the performance, guys. So far what is going on is just like the political addressing going on. But for me, I'm so interested today to experience and to witness the Uganda cultural traditional performance today. That is why I came up here, guys. So I'm waiting for that moment so that I can film for you guys.
Hallelujah. Thank you very much, Excellency. We are requested to observe departure order. After His Excellency, we have His Excellency the Deputy President of Kenya, His Excellency the Vice President of Uganda, Her Excellency the Vice President of Uganda, I beg your pardon, the Speaker of Parliament, His Lordship the Chief Justice, the head of visiting delegation to follow delegation, and then ministers in that order. Meanwhile, the uniform officers are invited to Katikati for the CDF luncheon.
Okay, yo guys, so I met one musician here in Uganda during the Independence Day. So while filming, he asked me like to do a little bit to show him up that he has a bit of talent. You're from Uganda?
Yeah, I'm from Uganda.
Yeah, you're from Uganda. So tell them what's coming up.
Okay, so next week, I'm called Santos.
Okay.
Lakini.
What's your stage name?
My name is Lakini.
Lakini, okay.
Yeah.
So tell them.
So next week I'm releasing my first song. It's called Fege. It's about high school life, stuff like that.
It's called what? Swege?
Fege.
Fege.
Yeah.
Fege. Meaning? Okay, tell them.
So it's going to be released next week, Monday. It's going to be a hit.
So he has a song that will be dropping next week, right?
Yeah.
So we want to hear, guys, if this song will be interesting for you guys. So I want him to drop something little bit. Give them something like a trail of the music. Yeah, welcome.
Yo. Remember them days when I was in high school, I did this one and I'm like, I remember that night to my first coffee. I was going to get a card.
Okay, okay. It sounds good, but that was Ugandan, right?
In English, no, English and Uganda.
It was mixed,
Yeah.
but most of the words was in Luganda. Huh?
Yeah.
It's okay. Can you rate your song from 1 to 10? Just yourself, rate that song. Rating like from 1 to 10. What do you think your song is? Like if they ask you the song that is coming up from rate 1 to 10, is it 5, 6, 7 or 8?
1 to 10.
Huh?
1 to 10.
1 to 10.
Yeah.
What is the average? What do you think? People will love your song or not?
They will love it. 100%,
They will love it?
nigga.
Okay.
Check it out.
How many songs did you drop so far?
This is my first song.
This is your first song?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Your good name is?
You can call me Santos.
Santo, guys. Do check him out. He has a new hit for you. Stay tuned, guys. So, yeah, it will be released next week.
Next week.
Okay, thank you. Hope you will check him out, guys. That's Santo. It will be dropped where? In YouTube or where? Facebook? Anywhere.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, check Santo out. He will be dropping a little hit for you, Ugandan.